Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Glaceon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the diamond shape on the forehead. Now on the top, let's draw an angle up on both sides. Angle it back down. And then bring it back into the center. Now on top, in between the diamond shapes, let's draw a curve for the top of the head. Now top down on both sides, we're going to step in and we're going to draw a line down. And then curve it down to the center for the chin. Now top and side near the top, and let's draw two angled lines up for the eyes. And then curves underneath. And then inside each eye, let's draw a small oval. Now top to the center, and let's draw a small triangle for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the ears. On the top of the head, let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then another angle underneath. Now from the top line, let's curve it up and out. And then bring it back in underneath. Now inside each ear, let's draw the same diamond shape like this. Next, we're going to hop down under the ears, and let's draw a wavy line down. And the same thing on the right side. And then move in, and let's draw another curve down on both sides. And then close off the bottom with a point. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw two angles up, forming a diamond shape at the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's move in and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head, and let's draw a curve out on both sides like this. And then let's curve it down, bringing it in. And then two more curves on the inside. Now at the bottom, let's curve it down and back up. And then add two curves inside at the bottom. Next, in between the paws here, let's draw a curve across. Now top to the sides and let's draw the back legs. Let's start next to the legs and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then continue it below and curve it in. Now underneath, let's draw a curve out. And then curve it back in underneath. And then add 2 lines inside at the bottom. Lastly, on the right side, let's add the tail. On top of the back leg here, let's draw an angle up. And then continue it on the other side by angling it out. Now let's bring it back in underneath. And one more angle in. And then inside this outer section, let's draw 2 angled lines like this. And that's it for Glaceon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!